Sometimes you need to prepare food in advance so that customers don't wait long for their orders. So, what steps must we take to store food safely?
We can keep hot food and perishable food in the refrigerator, but we must cool them first. Here are some guidelines. Cool hot foods as often as possible to avoid the multiplication of bacteria. Never forget this rule. The temperature of the cooked food must be reduced from 60 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius within 2 hours. Then, the food must be left in the refrigerator at temperatures below 5 degrees Celsius. The cooling process is faster if large quantities are divided into small portions. If you need to store more items, like a piece of meat for example, you can put it in a bowl with cold water and ice. Cover food with a lid or aluminium foil to prevent contamination by bacteria. Cooling is done safely when you use special equipment, such as a temperature chiller.
Before heating the food, you must check if it is still within the expiration date. Also, see if the product is stored safely and still has a good appearance, i.e. the texture and smell. It is important to remember that each dish prepared in the establishment must be stored for a specific time. Homemade products such as meat, sauces, rice and spaghetti must be stored for up to 2 days at 7 degrees Celsius or up to 5 days at 4 degrees Celsius. In the freezer, the same dishes can be stored for up to a month. The fish prepared in the establishment must not be stored for more than a day in the refrigerator or placed in the freezer.
Warning: you can only store foods you will not serve. Never forget this rule. Refrigerated foods can be reheated in a pan, an oven or a microwave. It is important heating the plate to a temperature of at least 74 degrees Celsius in the center as measured in 15 seconds to ensure elimination of all bacteria.